How to find out the ratio of marginal physical product of labor to capital? The question is given the production function Q is equal to 69 times K raised power 0.2 times L raised power 0.8. Q is the output, K and L are the units of capital and labor employed. What will be the ratio of the marginal physical product of labor to capital? We are supposed to find out. Options are being given. We need to find out the correct option. Okay, so marginal physical product of labor to capital ratio, that means marginal physical product of labor upon marginal physical product of capital, it will be equal to, okay, so marginal physical product of labor means the change in the output due to the change in the units of labor employed. Likewise, marginal physical product of capital means the change in the output due to the change in the units of capital employed. That is, the partial derivative of this function with respect to L gives us MPL. The partial derivative of this function with respect to K gives us MPK. Now let's take partial with respect to L. So the exponent of L becomes coefficient. So we have 69 times 0.8. K raised power 0.2 remains same because we are taking partial with respect to L, and exponent of L will be subtracted by 1. So 0.8 minus 1 is negative 0.2. Likewise, dq upon dk means partial derivative with respect to k this time. So we have 69 times exponent becomes coefficient. So we have 0.2. K raised power exponent will be subtracted by 1. So 0.2 minus 1 is negative 0.8, and L raised power 0.8 will remain same because we are taking partial with respect to k. 69 gets cancelled. So we have here 0.8 upon 0.2, it is 4. Okay, so we get 4. Now let us transpose this k to numerator. So we have k raised power 0.2. If I transpose this, it gets multiplied, but exponent sign will change. So here we have k raised power plus 0.8. Likewise, what will we do? Let us transpose this term to denominator. So we have in the denominator first 0.8, and transpose this term, the exponent sign will change and it will get multiplied. So we have 0.2, which will be equal to, so here we have 4. Bases are same, we can add the exponents here. So we get here k raised power 0.2 plus 0.8. So we have 0.2 plus 0.8. Likewise, here bases are again same, we can add the exponents. So we have 0.8, and let me write it properly, 0.8 plus 0.2. So we will get here 4. So this sums up to 1. So we can write 4k divided by L. This will be the ratio of the marginal physical product of labor to capital.